before we can solve sales in our business, we have to understand why sales is not happening. Why are we not getting sales? Why are we not getting customers? And before we do that, we have to go back to understand how sales happen in our business or in businesses. Now, you quite understand that sales happen when somebody shows interest in what you're selling, and then you can start the sales conversation with them. Even if you're selling something for just $1, somebody has to show interest in it, and then you have to start a conversation with them, ask a few questions, answer their questions, and all of that. And then they will buy from you. But people don't just show interest. They don't wake up in the morning and say that, hey, I know you have shown interest. They have to discover you. They have to see you. So if you go deep, deep, deep down, if you reverse everything back, you realize that for sales to happen, somebody who is interested in what you're selling should be able to see you or discover you. So the first thing that is very important for us to know is discovery. Business discovery, product discovery, offer discovery, treatment discovery, service discovery, whatever you're selling, people have to discover it. The right people have to discover it at the right time in their lives. Then the sales conversation can start. If people don't discover you, you will not be able to start a sales conversation. They will not be able to show interest. So, for example, if you're a fashion designer and you're selling clothes, you're targeting women. If women don't see that you're selling exactly what they want, they will ignore you. They won't even ignore you because they haven't seen you to think of ignoring you. If the right women don't see that this is what you're selling and this is something I'm interested in, they won't buy from you. You can be discovered, but if you're not discovered by the right people, they will still not be able to buy from you. You will not be able to make sales. So what is very important for us to understand here is how sales start. Sales start with discovery. And for so many of us, for so many small businesses, discovery, getting seen, visibility, awareness is a problem. Every day we wake up in the morning and we don't do anything in our business for new people to find us. We are only selling to the small number of people who already know us, our old customers, the old customers referring new people to come in, people from our church, classmates, people in our neighborhood, people on our WhatsApp status, people from Facebook, people who already are connected to us. So we are already being seen by a small group of people who already know us, who already trust us, and they are the ones that have been buying or not buying. So when it happens like that, then there's a big problem because there's a large pool of people who can make you so much money, who can turn your business around. But these people don't know you because they are not seeing you, because you're not doing anything in your business as it is right now for these people to discover you. I have had conversations with 14,000 small business owners, and they all believe that visibility is their biggest killer because they are not being discovered every day by new people. So what it means is that new people are not coming to them, new people are not buying, strangers are not buying from them. Most of them are blaming the fact that they are not making sales on how much they are charging. They think their prices are high. They think they are not getting the right people. They think their location is the problem. They think the economy is bad. They think that there's a bad government in power. There are so many reasons that so many small business owners are making out there for the reason that they are not getting sales. But none of it is the reason why they are not making sales. The number one reason why you will not be making sales is because you are not discovered, you are not being seen on a daily basis by the right person. Now, we are going to jump into the right person and define who the right person is here and how getting seen is all about. Once you're able to solve this mathematics, it's going to be very, very easy. I call it a mathematics because imagine 100 people see you every day in your business, and out of the 100, just 7 of them will send you an inquiry. Just 5 of them will start a sales conversation with you every day. Just 5. By the end of the 30-day period, even if you work 20 days, you will have about 40 people showing interest in your business. Out of the 40, if you're able to get just half of them, 20 of them to buy from you, you got just 100 to see you. What if the following month you can increase the number of people who see you? So let's jump into the next lesson and understand what being seen is about. And then we'll also jump into who the right people are. And then we understand how we can put this together and turn it into sales.